Hello, Mr. Kissinger. We're here to discuss your new book. Again, it is a little bit different than what I had anticipated when I first read it.
Well, Tom, it is a bit of a departure for me, but I feel that it's time that why is the picture of me with my name so fat and grotesque? That is not nice, Tom. Why look at these hands? They are ridiculous. Look at my feet, Tom. My feet. I don't look like that, Tom. That's not nice, Tom. Please, with the picture you move. Please move the picture, Tom. Please, Tom. That is not nice. Look at my nose, Tom. It's ridiculous. Please, Tom. Please, Tom. Please move the picture, please.
I'm sorry, Mr. Kissinger. The picture is what the picture is. Unfortunately, we were having some satellite difficulties, so we had to use some stock footage. Sorry about that.
Oh, yes, Tom. Oh, that's much better. Oh, I look robust in that picture, Tom. Yes, like I just ran a marathon. Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm so svelte. Oh, yes. Why am I grumpy, Tom? Why is my face like... But still, I'm so svelte, Tom. I think that makes up for my grumpiness. Yes, I'm very happy with the picture. But why do I have no feet, Tom? It's okay. It looks good, yes, except for my little reiki fingers. But, you know, hey, beggars can't be choosers. Okay, Tom. Yes, sorry.
Mr. Kissinger, many of us in the press expected your new book to involve events from the Nixon administration, statesmanship in general, but your latest book completely shifted gears. Even the title is rather provocative. Henry Kissinger, Hot Chicks I've Banged.
Yes, well, that's just the thing, Tom. So many of my books have been about statesmanship. I wanted the people out there to get a sense of the real Henry Kissinger. Henry Kissinger, the man. Henry Kissinger, the lover. Henry Kissinger, the sex machine, Tom. I wanted people to understand that I have emotions, that I am human and frail and lusty and robust, Tom. Yes, that's all true, Tom, and also no go pee-pee.
Did you just say no go pee-pee? That's a phrase that's repeated several times in your book with little or no justification. Many are perplexed beyond belief by the fact that it's in any of the books.
Please, Tom, I've never heard of anything so ridiculous in all my life. Please, Tom, no go pee-pee.
Mr. Kissinger, I hope you don't mind me saying many in the press have found you wildly delusional of late, and they say that this book is in fact a result of that delusional mentality that you currently possess. How do you answer that?
Well, Tom, people are going to say what they're going to say, you know, just because someone says that, you know, I have a drinking problem, that doesn't mean that it is true, you know. People say all the time, well, I'm going to go to work now. Well, they wait a little while. It is often 15, maybe 20 minutes before they even leave for work. So, in effect, they have lied, Tom. And what is a lie, really, but the truth spoken in insincerity, and if that is the case, then oh, well, then I'm guilty. Oh, I'm so bad. Oh, you know, hey, what the hell?
In your book, you say that you bedded Cindy Crawford, Elizabeth Hurley, Kathy Ireland, to name a few, and you also admit to having a threesome with Cyndi Lauper and none other than Captain Lou Albano.
Well, Tom, Captain Lou showed me a side of myself that I did not know existed until then. My backside. No go pee-pee.
Thank you, and good night, America.